Hi, it's Gary Denstool again at Tweetsie Fudge Works. And today we're going to make a seasonal favorite, pumpkin fudge. We start our pumpkin fudge, like most of our fudges, with sugar and XX whipping cream. We try to use the purest ingredients that we can find. And speaking of that, with our pumpkin fudge, we use only organic pumpkin whenever it's available. The nice thing about using organic pumpkin is there's no need to add artificial colors or flavors. It's perfect just as it is. The only flavoring that we add is a natural blend of cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, and ginger. Once it's added, we continue to stir the kettle till it reaches 236 degrees or the right consistency. Once the batch reaches 236 degrees, we take the copper kettle off the furnace and we add marshmallow cream, which adds not only corn syrup and sweeteners but also some egg frappe to it. It gives it a little lighter texture. Then we add our white chocolate to give it a little more stability and that extra chocolate flavor. Once it's stirred up to the right consistency, then we pour it out to set on our marble slabs and begin to work up the grain so that the fudge will stand up. Once the fudge stands up the way we want it to, we decorate it with small, tiny marshmallows, and then we can cut it into pieces to put in our display case. Pumpkin fudge is going to be here as long as Ghost Train's here, but when the Ghost Train pulls out, it's going to take pumpkin fudge with it. This is Gary Denstool at Tweetsie Fudge Works, the guy in the bow tie.